Hi, this is Rod with Rod Inspects, and we are coming to you today from a brand spanking new house in Cibolo, Texas. And on my Facebook page lately, I have been posting pictures of reasons why it's a great idea to get an inspection on a brand new house. And we have just another example today of that. We're up in the attic here, and I've got my mask hanging down around my neck because usually there's a lot of insulation, and with that becomes a lot of dust. And so but in this case today, this is the reason for the video. Now remember, we're on a brand new house and we have pretty much no insulation anywhere in this attic. Now this is a 3,000 square foot house, and they have neglected to put the insulation in yet. So again, just another great reason to have an inspection with Rod Inspects. And if you can like and share our Facebook post and like our YouTube channel, we would appreciate it. Thank you.